Ever dreamt of ordering authentic street food in Thailand, but the language barrier held you back? Or struggled to ask for a specific ingredient in a bustling Italian market? Hi, I'm Alex, and this video is your passport to delicious global adventures, teaching you essential English phrases to confidently navigate any food situation. Imagine savoring flavors from all over the world without any hiccups. From ordering a perfect steak in Paris to picking out spices in Marrakesh. Ready to upgrade your dining game? We're about to unlock unforgettable memories with Vocab for menus, ordering, and so much more. The best part, no experience is needed. Just bring your taste buds. Repeat after me. I'm ready for global food talks. Awesome. Let's dive in. Are you hungry for adventure? Picture this, you re-savoring delicious street food in Bangkok or a perfect plate of pasta in Rome. What makes these moments truly magical? It's the connection, and English is often the key to unlocking those connections, turning a simple meal into a lasting memory. It helps you connect with locals, hear their food stories, and understand the culture behind the dish. Don't let language barriers shrink your world. English opens doors to vibrant markets, authentic food tours, and hidden culinary gems you might otherwise miss. Let's practice a key phrase. Imagine you've just sat down at a cozy local restaurant. You can say, "I'd love to try the local specialty. What do you recommend?" Go ahead, try saying it now. Why is English so important? It builds your confidence to walk into any eatery anywhere in the world and feel right at home. Here's a little challenge for you. Think of your dream food destination. What would you eat there? Comment below. Now, let's talk about menus. They can be tricky, even for native speakers. But let's decode them together. Most menus have common categories. Appetizers, which are starters like salads or small bites. Then you have mains, the main course or the bigger dishes like a steak or pasta. After that comes desserts for all the sweets like cake or gelato. And finally, beverages, which are your drinks like coffee, tea, or soda. What if you need help choosing? You can ask, "Can you recommend something vegetarian?" Or, for allergies, which is super important, you can say, "I'm allergic to nuts. Is this dish safe?" This is crucial for your safety. Let's also practice some pronunciation. Say it with me. Grilled, which means cooked over a fire, like a barbecue. Spicy, meaning it has a hot flavor. And fresh, as in just picked or recently made. Let's do a quick role play. Pretend you're looking at a Thai menu. You could say, "This pad Thai looks delicious." Go on, give it a try. See, you're already sounding more like a local. Okay, you've read the menu, you've made your choice. Now, let's order with confidence and grace. The way you order can change depending on where you are. In a busy market, you might point and say, "How much for these spices?" But in a restaurant, you'd be more formal. "I'll have the pasta, please, and maybe add a special request. Could you make it less spicy?" You might need other things too. You can ask, "Can I get some extra napkins, please?" When ordering steak, you'll be asked how you want it cooked. You can say medium rare. For example, when the meal is over, it's time to pay. Simply say, check, please. If you want to leave a tip, you can say, keep the change, or if you're handing them cash, here's a tip for the great service. A final compliment always goes a long way. Thank you, that was delicious. Let's role play again. At a bustling street food stall, 1 portion of falafel, to go, please. At a fancy Michelin spot, could you recommend a wine to pair with this dish? Now, take a moment. What would you order? Practice it out loud. What if there's an issue? Stay calm and polite. Excuse me, this is a bit too salty. Can I please have another one? You're a pro. Food is so much more than just eating. It's a doorway into culture. Let's learn how to dive in. A great way to connect is by giving a compliment. You could say, this curry is amazing. What's the secret ingredient? People love sharing their passion for food. You can also share your own stories. My favorite dish is sushi because it is so fresh and fun to eat. When you're in markets or grocery stores, be curious. Ask questions like, where are these tomatoes from? Or how fresh is this bread? This shows you're interested. In many markets, you can also talk about the price. You can ask, is it possible to bargain? Or what's your best price? If you're joining a food tour or a cooking class, engage with your guide. Can you show me how to make pajala? Or I'd love to join the food tour tomorrow. Let's practice one more phrase for connection. Your recipe sounds so tasty. Could I try making it at home? These simple phrases help you connect with people and their culture on a much deeper level. Ready for more? The key to getting better is practice and immersion. Listen to how they describe the flavors and techniques. Language apps are also fantastic. Let's quickly review our key phrases. Can you recommend something? I'm allergic to ... double quotes and check, please. You've done it. You've mastered the essential English phrases for any food adventure around the globe. Bon appétit. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your dream meal, and where would you eat it? Comment below with the phrase you learned today that you'll use on your next trip. If you're feeling hungry for more language tips, give this video a like and be sure to subscribe for more adventures. Our next video is all about English for travel shopping. Thanks for watching. Now go out there and eat, speak, and explore.